Host, Assalamu alaikum. I am Shamil Khan, and you are watching In Search of Allah. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of Islam with an introduction to the religion. Whether you're a curious beginner or seeking to expand your knowledge, this video will serve as a beginner's guide to Islam. So let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Host. Islam, derived from the Arabic word salam meaning peace, is a religion followed by over 1.8 billion people around the globe. It encompasses a comprehensive way of life, guiding its followers on matters of faith, worship, morality, and social conduct. Host. At the core of Islam lies the belief in the oneness of Allah, the Arabic term for God. Muslims believe that Allah is the creator of the universe and the ultimate source of guidance. The revelations from Allah were conveyed to humanity through the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Peace be upon him, who is considered the final and most significant messenger in Islam. Host. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, is believed to be the literal word of Allah as revealed to Prophet Muhammad. It serves as a comprehensive guide addressing various aspects of life, including spiritual, moral, and legal matters. Muslims regard the Quran as a timeless and universal source of guidance. Host. Islam is a diverse and inclusive religion that encompasses people from various cultures, ethnicities, and backgrounds. The global Muslim community is rich in its traditions, art, architecture, and contributions to science, literature, and philosophy. Host. Islam encourages dialogue, understanding, and respect for people of different faiths. Muslims are encouraged to engage in interfaith discussions and build bridges of harmony, fostering a peaceful coexistence in our interconnected world. Host. And that wraps up our brief introduction to Islam. We hope this beginner's guide has provided you with a glimpse into the principles and practices of this vibrant and influential religion. Remember, there is always more to explore and learn. If you have any questions or want us to cover specific topics in future videos,